by designing for that. For 32 mm, the maximum number is 2 sprinklers. So in this sense, these are our end layout because this is our main pipe, right? So from our main pipe to our zone control station, where we now have different branch pipes until we have our end mains here. So these are pipes will definitely then be 32 mm. So let's copy this CO or CP, enter this point. So these are our pipe that extend to this end layout will be 32 mm. So having done that, we'll still try to correlate the design with other branches. So these are branches. Here is 25, likewise this 25, this 25, this 32 too, and this 25. The one coming over here is 25, 25. Now the final end, which is the main pipe here, so CO or CP, we specify for this pipe, and we specify for this end, the one that connects to the zone control valve. But the recommendation for the zone control station can definitely attest to this. Since we have 1, 2 sprinkler here, 1, 2, and we have 3, 4, 5 here, making 6. For 6 sprinkler, now we'll come to our picture. 6 sprinkler, that's 40 mm. 40 mm. So this will be 40 mm. And for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yep. And for 7, 8 now, so we'll be having 50 mm as our zone control station, and the incoming will also be 50 mm. So these are how we do size our pipe layout. So let's proceed to the other floor too. So for this floor, we actually designed for a loop system, and for a loop is even more easier. We'll be having 25 mm here. Likewise another 25 mm here, and we'll be having 25 mm here again, the one that extends 25 mm at 25 mm. 25 mm. So for this kind of system, we only require to, let's put this one here and we rotate it out. So for this kind of system, we only require to size our main. So, and the easiest way is to calculate the total number of the pipe and use it to size our main. And you can even reduce the main pipe a bit in order to reduce the constructional cost. So this is how we use the pipe schedule method to size our piping layout. In our further videos, I will be explaining how to design a standard pipe. So hope you find this video interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next class.